This employee thought WFH meant work-free holiday and not work from home. And when his boss found out he got no work done, you won't believe what she did.
No, I mean, I read the HR memo. It said WFH optional between Thanksgiving and Christmas. So work-free holiday, I was just going to table it for...
No, Brian. WFH optional is work from home optional between Thanksgiving and Christmas, not work-free holiday. Who told you that? It's just crazy.
I mean, Kate did last week.
Hey, is this true?
And we lost Kate.
Okay, Matt, I think I'm going to need to get Bob involved on this one now.